Hello everyone, my name is Chitra Goswami and this video is for the summary of lesson number 145 and the name of the lesson is Hot Seat. The objective of this lesson is that you will provide students with an opportunity to review their understanding of key concepts and topics covered in FEA curriculum. First step, you are going to welcome the students and introduce the concept of hot seat questioning activity. You will explain that the hot seat is where one student sits in front while the rest of the class asks them questions on topic learned at FEA. Then you will ask one question from the students. The question is, why is it important to ask thoughtful questions in learning? The second step is discussion on questioning techniques, and you will share the characteristics of effective questions such as being open-ended, thought-provoking and relevant to the topic. You will ask students to refer to the previous lessons from SRB and prepare a list of 10 to 12 questions that they would like to ask different individuals seated on a hot seat. The third step is demonstration, and for this you will choose a volunteer to sit on the hot seat. As an example, you will encourage the class to ask questions. One student can ask one question and you will model active listening and demonstrate how to respond to questions thoughtfully and respectfully. Now for the fourth step, you are going to select one student to take the hot seat and you will set a timer for about 5 to 7 minutes for the student in the hot seat to answer questions from their classmates. You will encourage students to ask a variety of questions and you will guide the discussion by redirecting any off-topic questions and encouraging respectful dialogue among students. And you can rotate students in and out of the hot seat throughout the activity, allowing everyone to participate. For the fifth step, you will invite students to share any insights or observations they gained from the activity, and you will encourage the students to reflect on the types of questions they asked and the responses that they have received. The second part of the lesson is Forms and Applications Part 2, and the objective of this lesson is that students apply what they learned about vocabulary and purpose of forms to practice reading and filling out forms. For the first step, you are going to ask the students to open their SRBs to lesson 145B, and students form groups of 3 to 4 to answer the questions about the form in part A. You will tell them that it is a scavenger hunt and the goal is to find as many accurate answers as possible in 10 minutes. When they are finished, they can check their answer against the answer key and discuss any that they have answered incorrectly. For the second step, you are going to discuss filling out the form in part B of their SRB. The next part of the lesson is check your understanding. For the first step of this lesson, you will share that this is a time to reflect on our learnings and you want everyone to participate and share their responses as best as they can. You will ask the same question to 2 or 3 students before moving to the next question. The questions for this activity are given in your FRB. For the second step, you will ask everyone to log in into their Duolingo account and you will let the students begin their Duolingo practice. You will encourage the students to use Duolingo outside their session time as well, and you will ask them to finish it by today. You will speak to students who need more support and you will encourage them with positive feedback and areas of improvement. Lastly, you are going to acknowledge the students for what they did well during the session and you will conduct the pledge. Thank you so much.